let's say you're on Squarespace, you're scrolling for a font and you just can't find the font that you like. You find one online and you just don't know quite how to download it and add it into your website. This is exactly what we're going to go over today, exactly what to do, and let's get straight into it. So first, we're going to get into downloading the font itself. Let's say you're scrolling on a website and you're like, oh, I really like this font over here. What we're going to do is we're going to use an extension called What Font. I'm going to leave that link down in the description below. Let's say we like the store. We're going to hover over that. It's going to say SF Pro Display. What we're going to do is we're going to search up that font and we're going to click it over here and we're going to download that font. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to add that into your website. Let's get straight into it. So what we're first going to do is we're going to head into some CSS. So we're going to go to edit. We're going to click slash and then type in CSS. We're going to click custom CSS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click into our code. I'm going to leave this all in the description down below. So yep, we're going to space it out a little bit so you can see it clear. So first thing we're going to do now that we have our code is we're going to download our font. Yeah, so I just grabbed a random font from the internet. So this, now that we added our font, let's get straight into the code here. So the font name is called Brodile, from Brodile. And then for the URL, we're going to click in between the parentheses here. I'll click on the font directly, just like that. And the link should pop up just in there. Perfect. So as you can tell, nothing has happened yet. That's because we need to add one more line of code right down here. I'm going to leave this all in the description once again. Copy this. I head back over. Under it, we're going to paste it here. And as you can tell, the font changed for the heading 1. And what I have down here is the different headings and different paragraphs for the code. So let's say we wanted to change H2. The heading 2, we're going to click H2 instead of H1. And there we go. It has changed. Obviously, you can do this for all of them. Let's say H1, paste the same code beneath and do it for H2. Same thing will happen here. Yeah, so now we're going to start editing the actual fonts themselves. So right now we're on H1. Let's say we want to change the font size to, say, 40. You can do that. Whatever you want, let's say 100. Let's bring it back to 20. And then letter spacing, you can kind of play with this to get the font exactly how you want. Let's say 10. It gets the spacing between each letter. Let's say bring it back down to 5. And then 100. Yep, so this is something you could just play around with, see what works best for your website specifically. And last, we have line height. Let's bring that to 20. This is just the spacing in between each paragraph. So to show you an example, yeah. So for the line height, right now it's at 20. Let's change that to 100. You can see it's bringing the text further and further away from each other. We want to change the line height to 500. I'll just bring it further and further. So this is something you can just play around with. And yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Hopefully you got some value out of this, and take care. Bye.